today we are visiting one of the most renowned universities in Beijing. It's the Beijing Polytechnic University, founded in 1958. This magnificent university has a lot to offer in terms of vocational education. You'll get to explore a lot from aerospace and smart car technology. Join me in this journey as we explore this amazing university in Beijing, China. So this is the aviation side of the university. It helps to train students on flight maintenance and various other aspects of aviation.
这个飞机主要用于我们飞机的学生的实训操作，还有它的执照培训。
These aircraft is mainly used for teaching and for the lessons training.
这些学生呢，就是我们已经跟航空公司签了订单培养的学生，他们正在进行学执照。这个执照是那个航空飞行执照。
We have order agreements with airlines.
Join me inside to experience how a flight looks like when it comes to flying and so forth. So this is the interior of the flight. Usually anyone who uses an aeroplane to fly to different destinations, this is where everything happens. This is where the magic happens. You can see different buttons here, and pilots would usually use these buttons to fly a plane. So now let's go on our first ride. To which destination are we going to, Tiro? We go. So this is the gear, and once you put it on, it means the flight would go. So here we go. Wow, the experience is so amazing. Whoa, there we go. We have just landed. Guys, this is all happening in China. Usually, so this is the Beijing Polytechnic University, and this is where everything is happening. This is Air China, and this is the flight they're using to do their testing to be able to train students on how to maintain flights. So this is so amazing. Imagine having this. So China is like, it has everything in those. So it's so amazing experience here.
This is flight data recorder. This 在这个上面啊。
In this area.
One in here.
One of the black
One
boxes
in
right
the,
here. All of them will controlled by the vehicle motor. The signals just output from the computer, and the motor controller will get the signal from this computer and do the decoding. Yeah. So based on these testing benches, our students can get the theory knowledge of the vehicle control error network and how to edit the message of these signals based on these testing benches. So this is the function of these training rooms. Yeah, thank you. in this training room, the sensors are integrated into the vehicle model. You can see the camera, the millimeter wave radar, the antenna, and such as the ultrasonic radar and the laser radar. All these sensors are just integrated together to the vehicle model. And based on these sensors, the vehicle can collect the data around this vehicle, such as the three-dimension cloud, such as the image, and how that is the barriers around the vehicle. So all these signals are just collected by the vehicle and as the basis of the calculation and analysis. Yeah. So this is the function of this training room. Yeah. And we will go to visit the next one. Yeah. This vehicle model is just similar to the vehicles that are just operating on the road. All these sensors in that training room, it's in the vehicle model, but for this training room, it's just for the real vehicles. So the antenna and such as the initial measurement unit, all of them are installed in the vehicle. The students will learn how to install, how to connect the hardware, how to set the environment, how to install the software for all the system. So, yeah, any question?
They are fully made in China.
Yes, yes. All these equipments are just designed by the Beijing University, Beijing Polytechnic University, and together with the company together. Yeah. This one is for the self-driving logistic. All the things can just put in these boxes, and it can just cruise to each building and to the destination. And for that vehicle, it's for the just the moving supermarket. We can just put the such as the drinks or the ice creams put in the vehicles, and it can just cruise in the park.
Okay.
Actually, there is no function of the left foot here.
Okay.
This one is a reverse, and this one is a driving. Now it's go to the driving direction. You can just give the very small velocity.
Okay. From the Aerospace Hub, now we're in the Smart Car Center of the university. It's so amazing here. Students get to experience real-life driving, how it feels to drive these cars. This is a virtual car driving test setup, and I'll be conducting my first car drive test in China. It's so amazing. Join me here to see how it all looks like. So here we have the brake and the accelerator. So what I'll do, I'll just hit on the accelerator. I'll start my first driving test. Go. Wow, this is so amazing. I think I'm moving pretty fast. I have to click on the brake. Wow, nice. Wow. Okay,
Yeah,
I have to go on the left. Yes,
Yeah.
I need some little guidance because
Maybe it's too close to the wall.
yeah, I'm a learner actually, you know. But by the time I get back to the Gambia in Africa, I think it's going to be superb. Wow.
It's brake, and that is the wall.
That's a break. Wow, that was a very nice experience for me. It was my first driving test, and it's so amazing. I like it here. So this is China for us actually. China has everything, and this is all happening in China. These are not foreign products. These are all made in China products actually. China is leading innovation, and I think this is indeed a symbol of inspiration for anyone who really wants to do well in the AI and equally as well smart cars.
与实际生产相结合的这个教学案例。
So because of the cooperation with the enterprises, we provide first-hand material, teaching materials for the students. They have the cases from the real companies.
我们深知，在全球
It is clear to us that under the globalization and artificial intelligence technology changes, vocational education is not only the cradle of skills training, but also the bond of mutual learning among civilizations. Your visit today is an important opportunity to communicate the story of Chinese vocational education to the world. In recent years, the university has taken practical innovation as the development core. Through your names and pins to show the world the innovative practice of China's vocational education. Here, there are not only cutting-edge industrial robot training bases, smart classrooms integrating theory teaching and practical training. We are also committed to break down the cognitive barriers, and we look forward to your recording the development with your objective. The university adheres to the education model of aligning majors with industry, studies with employment, talent cultivation with employer needs, and practice with production. It